you are a designer, this video is right just for you. Want to add patterns on your design? Let me show you. Open your artwork on GoPaint. So, I divide each part of the dress into different layers to make it easier. Top, skirt, and sleeve. Okay, let's back to the top layer. I'll give different color to each part. First, the top with red color. Second, the skirt with pink color. The third is the sleeve. Actually, you can pick whatever color you want. You also can adjust the color fill threshold. Make sure there is no gap on the line of each part so you can drag and fill the color. Actually, is really easy to add pattern you want without drawing it by yourself. But you have to have the picture of pattern that you want already. Let's begin from the top. First, make another layer above the top layer. Hold for a few seconds on the new layer until it shows new window. Search for the mask option on it. Then, import the pattern from your gallery. You just have move it into the right place. You also can see from my another video to import an image into your artwork. Okay, let's repeat the step on the next part. Add a layer above. Turn it into mask layer. I want to use other pattern for the skirt. Import the pattern from gallery. Not only move the pattern, you also can adjust the size and rotate into any direction. So, I will do another trick. But first, let's change the background. Not only add pattern into mask layer, you can just draw it with any brushes. This is how you can coloring without worry that you will cross the border line. I'll use the sleeves part. Okay, let me show you how. Just the same, add mask layer above it. This time, I choose the brush and the color for the base layer. With the layer being masked as your borderline, it lets you to create something new inside. I will add darker color for the shadow on another mask layer. We're done. This is the simplest way to add pattern into your design on GoPaint application. Remember to activate Drawing Assist option to create something similar. Based on what symmetry guideline you used before, start to draw something. You can watch other GoPaint tips and tricks on my YouTube channel. You want to see the time-lapse video? Okay, I'll show you.